From here is Leo, and on this video I'll be showing you guys how to manage your trade properly, right? How to prevent some losses that could have been that could have just ended up on you breaking even, right? Or just risking risking free your trade, right? Making your trade risk free. Now, this is very important that you know how to do this, right? You know how to manage your trade. All right. This can cut you some losses that could have been breaking even, or that could have been wins. All right. Now, what you need to do first, right? So, as example here, I've got a trade on my demo, which is GBP JPY, right? So you guys can see that I've entered this trade. Let me move this away. I've entered this trade here on the green line, right? The green line shows you where you've entered the trade, and my stop loss is just below it because I'm going for a buy, right? That's where my stop loss is. And right now, the trade is in profit. The price is all the way up here, right? Which means I'm in profit right now. Now I believe that the trade will go, I want to hold the trade longer, right? I believe that the trade will has more to give now, but I want to make sure that I also protect myself, right? So now I want to risk free the trade, and the way that you do that, okay? So you can see I'm in profit right now. So I want to make sure that I move my stop loss to break even, right? And when I say break even, I simply mean that if the trade changes direction and goes back all the way back to your entry, you will not lose any money, but you also will not make any money, right? That's called break even or risk free trade, right? Now, I want to move my stop loss. And to do that, to help you know what price to move your stop loss to, you can simply up here at the top, the arrow, right? The arrow or the cross, you can just select it and it will come up on the screen, right? I hope you guys can see it will come up on the screen. So with this, wherever you place it, right? So whatever is your price target, you just put it around, right? And on the side, it will tell you what's the price of that area, right? So, and also you want always to make sure that you move your stop loss once you're in profit above your entry a little bit, not exactly on your entry price number, right? To know your entry price number is the entry price number is the number that is always below the currency pair, right? And it's not moving. Right now we can see I've entered the price at 137.876, right? That's where I enter the price. That's my entry point. And the number that is moving is just the price changing, right? The price changing with time. Now, you don't want to move your stop loss exactly to that number. The reason why, there is spreads, right? The brokers have spreads. There's spreads, different currency pairs, different times of the day. The spreads are higher. The spreads are low. So to prevent you even from moving your stop loss and you lose, let's say, a couple of pences, just move your stop loss a little bit above your entry price, right? So right now I want to put my stop loss up here, okay? And now I know the price up there is 137,901. So the number in black here on the right hand side corner, 137,901, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and change my stop loss and protect my trade now, right? So 137,901. I'm gonna go to modify 137,901, right? Now my stop loss is up here, right? If you guys remember, the stop loss was below the entry. Right now is above the entry, which means if the trade turns, okay, without me expecting, then and I'm not looking, I'm busy at work or something or doing something else, I don't need to worry anymore. On that trade, I can't lose money. Even if it reverses, it will take me out and I will not lose any money, right? That's how you risk free your trade. So use the arrow to know what is the price of the area where you want to move your stop loss, right? So to break even, move it away a little bit from your entry point, just to give your trade more space to breathe. Now, as we can see, the price just kept going up, right? The price just kept going up. Let me move this. The price just kept going up. There's some distance from the price and my entry point. Now what I can do, I can move my stop loss further away, and in that way, if the trade reverses, I'll still come up with profit. So there's only one outcome of from the trade once you do that, right? You come out with profit regardless. All right. Now the price is all the way up there. I want to move my stop loss again to protect to protect some profits already along the way. All right. So this is how you can manage your trade. All right. Now I want to put my stop loss all the way up here, right? All the way up there. Now the price is 138,000, right? Now I'll go back and change the stop loss now. So 138,000. Fantastic. Now the only outcome from this trade is a win. I'll come up with profit, and you can't go broke by taking profits, right? So guys, this is how you guys manage a trade. So first, once the trade moves a couple pips away from the entry, you move your stop loss a little bit from your entry point. All right. So in case it reverse, it takes you out, but you don't lose any money. And if the trade keeps going into your direction, then you move your stop loss again to secure some profits already. Now, everything that is in between, let me put this one here. Everything that is in between your entry and your stop loss is already yours, right?